Breaking. Coinbase and Google are sending Shiba Inu to $1. What are the prospects of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency? What are the latest news about this cryptocurrency? We will answer these questions in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Investment Channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. The live Shiba Inu price today is $0.000011 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $301 million USD. We update our SHIB to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is down 2.47% in the last 24 hours. While SHIB investors are waiting for a new peak, asset volatility and trading volume have decreased over the past few days. This shows that the consolidation phase occurred before the new movement. Usually, a price stuck in a narrow range is seen as a sign of a subsequent serious breakthrough. During this period, a narrow trading range was formed for the SHIB price between the support levels of $0.000050 and the resistance of $0.00055. The fact that the pair managed to break out of the descending triangle indicates that the downtrend has stopped, at least for the moment. If the bulls are fully engaged, they can push the SHIB coin to an uptrend again. Shiba Inu has had a hard time holding on to the value that it had garnered in the bull run of 2021. Along the way, there have been utility and use cases being put forward for the digital asset, but even that has not helped it retain its value. Now, the meme coin has fallen below an important technical level, triggering sell signals. Over the last couple of months, the price of SHIB had continued to trend above $0.00001. This level had become important over time as bulls had built up support for the meme coin here. In other words, $0.00001 became the price for bears to beat, and now they have. In the early hours of Thursday, the price of Shiba Inu had inevitably declined below $0.00001. It comes as no surprise since the cryptocurrency was only following the general market trend that had triggered losses in the market over the last 24 hours. SHIB had been one of the worst hit among the largest cryptocurrencies as it recorded a 7.66% decline during this time. This puts SHIB firmly below its 50-day moving average, and the next support level now seems to be forming just above $0.000008. The loss in value has also seen the meme coin lose its 14th place on the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, which is now occupied by Iron, TRX. As expected, the fall below $0.00001 has begun to trigger sell-offs in the market. The most notable of these has been a whale who seems to have dumped trillions of tokens. At the time of the transaction, the 2.8 trillion tokens were worth an estimated $27.7 million and were transferred to another wallet. So either the whale had moved the tokens for safekeeping or they had sold off the tokens. The kicker is that the whale had purchased these tokens about 2 months earlier, and if it was a sale, they would have taken a massive loss on the tokens. The dollar value of Ethereum whale holdings has also declined during this time. In the last 7 days alone, their combined holdings are down more than $7 million. This points to some dumping from the large holders but is also a result of the decline in the price of the digital asset. The crypto market is expected to decline even further from here, which would mean that the SHIB losses might not be over at this point. It is also a meme coin, which means it would tank even more than the general market. So Shiba Inu holders need to strap in for a long ride. Shiba Inu has been underperforming against Tether, USDT, for several weeks now, with the price trading primarily in a range-bound movement with little or no volume to rally. Although the uncertainty that surrounds the crypto market may be a significant factor, as the price of Bitcoin, BTC, and other crypto assets such as Ethereum, ETH, have seen a slight setback in their price movement, the price of SHIB will need to gather more momentum to break through its range channel. Data from Binance. Most projects have not fared well in the bear market, as most have seen price declines of more than 50%, discouraging most traders and investors from stockpiling these assets. Despite massive support from great partnerships and a massive community that has continued to build and grow, the price of SHIB has struggled to stay stable. The last rally for SHIB was a spectacle for many, as most investors and traders made a fortune from it, as the thoughts and vivid picture still linger in many people's minds. After rallying to a high of $0.00004 by SHIB, The price of SHIB has struggled to replicate that fit as the price faced price rejection from that height to a weekly low of $0.000021. The price of SHIB bounced off this region of $0.000021 to a high of $0.00003 in a bid to break out from this downtrend, but the price failed and has maintained a downtrend for some time. In the daily time frame, the price of SHIB continued to struggle as the price trends in a range-bound channel. Although the price of SHIB has lost much strength to trend higher recently, it is holding up pretty well above its key support zone of $0.00000850. The price of SHIB needs to break and close above $0.00000120, which is the upper band of the range channel. Shiba Inu's burning party, in hell, seemed to see new developments as the fire continued to rage on despite a few hiccups. But this time, the party had some special features to rejoice for the SHIB community. The Shiba Inu Games portal introduced a burning mechanism through Amazon's affiliate link. According to the stats in August, the Shiba Inu, SHIB, superstore achieved a 3-month milestone of surpassing $2,000 in burnt tokens. But, could it continue at the same pace at press time? Well, the SHIB superstore remained on track to meet last month's burns, while SHIB burns overall might be slowing down at press time. Travis Johnson, administrator for the SHIB Superstore, highlighted a possible scenario behind the burning craze. Herein, the platform saw a good record to burn the biggest amount of Shiba Inu coins via the Amazon affiliate program as seen in the tweet below. This is from the last 2 days of Amazon. I think Amazon has massive potential. Use the link located on the homepage of Buying Avocados. Burns 2,000 SHIB stamps. 83,000 SHIB burned. These transactions add up. Overall, this program accounted to remove more than 40 million SHIB, 43.2 million SHIB, from circulation this month. In a tweet, Johnson stated, "Up from last week by about $70. Great job everybody. I know I repeat this a lot, but these weekly burns could easily be 100x if everyone banded together." In fact, he even raised the possibility, in October, to surpass the amount of SHIB burned in September, even though only half of the month had passed. At that time, the overall amount of SHIB burned comprised of $860, worth 84,729,064 SHIB. We are on track to meet the numbers from last month, Johnson added. Apart from this, Shiburn.com, the most trusted SHIB burn tracking website, had some stats to show. Over 395.80 million Shiba Inu, SHIB, were destroyed in the past week, 50 million in the past 24 hours, including 43.23 million in one significant transaction. Apart from this, Shiburn.com also reported a massive 584.46% increase in Shiba Inu burn volume over the last day. Meanwhile, holders too showed their faith as the numbers saw a much-needed incline. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the number of Shiba Inu holders rose to 1,224,583. The figure was 9% higher than the 1,114,483 number that was tallied on the 3rd of January. Could this imply an opportunity for the holders? Well, a big yes, as covered in the 15th of October article. However, Shiba Inu, SHIB, bears controlled the trend to their fancy for the last 2 months. Even now, that was the case. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.